Hi, I'm Serial Degradation N, and behind this door is a Goodman gas-powered furnace. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this thing on because I'm freezing in this house. So, let's go ahead and turn it on. Now that's what I call a gas furnace. It has blue flames. Look at it. Oh, I'm sorry. The case is on, so you can't see the blue flames, unfortunately. But you can still see the light of the blue flames. Still can't see them? Oh well, I guess it's too bad that you can't see the blue flames, I guess. Well, other than that... Yay, we got some heat from this vent over here. Can't you tell? There's a heat coming from this vent. Well, anyways, that completes for today, so bye.